I'm only assuming that you're here because you tried to look up YouTube videos somewhere else and they're just showing you how to do a cube instead of a shape that has a hole in it or is oddly made. I don't know, but I couldn't find anything. And I went to the F1 and I looked up 3D face and I couldn't do it. It wasn't working because here you go. It shows you how to do stairs, which is cool. I get it. I can just keep going with the shape. I can do that all around the side of this. 3D face. I'll start here to here to here and here. And look, great, there's a surface and I can just keep going and it continues. And that's awesome. That's so cool. That's great. But that is not what I was trying to do. I was trying to figure out, how do I get a hole in here? Well, you could just try the 3D face and you might have figured this out. You just started clicking around. It was making sense. And there it is. Now, the only problem with that is if you switch it to the wireframe, there's lines along the edge, which means if you try to shade plot it, how my teacher taught me, he didn't want those lines. Well, how do you do it without the lines? Okay, let's try this. 3D face. Let's start here. And I'm going to go across here. But before I click that corner, I'm going to do I for invisible. Because once I click here, I'm starting an invisible line that'll go across. When I click there, you'll see that there's a line. But don't worry, it's fine. Now, before I click this next one, I want the following line to be invisible again. So I'm going to do I. I'll click here. And it finishes the shape for me because 4 sides. And you'll see there's now not those 2 lines there. But these 2 are connected. And when I change over to my shade plot, when I get my visual styles going, it's there. It's complete. It's fine. But they don't have those weird lines on the edges. Now, there is a way to fix this if you forget to do it on the wrong face. I'll click this MO and it'll pull up these properties. And I can scroll down here and I can see visible. And I can do drop downs and I can check these. Look, there's one. I'm going to assume that edge 3 is also the one I need to hide. Yes, it is. It's fixed. It's already fixed. It's great. And I can see it all. And now I can just keep going and I'm done. And that's all it took. And I couldn't figure it out. I wasn't smart enough. Couldn't wrap my head around it. But now we have a short YouTube video on how to fix that and how to actually do it. So I hope that helped. I hope you enjoyed that.